Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with guests. Sherman had a guest last night. He had a little bunking party. And today we're going to teach you how to make peanut butter dog treats. And of course, along with me is my grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, Sherman. And here's his guest, Baxter. Baxter, say hello. Say hello, Baxter. Folks, this is a delicious treat that I'm going to teach you how to make in a few easy minutes. And you're going to delight your pup, and you're going to delight your pup's guests when they come over and spend the night. You can have fun with this recipe. You guys are wearing me out. Peanut butter dog treats. Just stick with me. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm going to teach you something that is so fun for your pet. Folks, you can't go wrong with this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get out our doggy mixing bowl. And we're going to start with 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Baxter brought me a present. Well, thank you, Baxter. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of applesauce, or just a mashed up banana to kind of give it some sweetening. You guys like bananas? I'll just sort of mush it up in my hands and put it in my little mixture here, because we're going to give all this a good stir. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth or beef broth. In this case, I'm going to use chicken broth. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that chicken broth in. And then I'm going to sort of add the rest after I start mixing my concoction. So it's real simple. We're just going to use flour, whole wheat flour, and a mashed up banana, and a 1/2 cup of peanut butter with a little bit of chicken broth. So after we've mixed our peanut butter and our flour, we're going to just sort of work it all into a ball. So you can even serve them raw. Is that good? Is that good? Oh my gosh, look at this. A treat for your dog and his guest. Oh, he's gonna love it. Oh, he's gonna love it. Come here, Baxter. You want one? You want one? Come here, Baxter. A treat. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, they love them. I know what you're waiting for me to do. I know what you're gonna do, and it's so good. They'll eat them right off the tray. Kelbob, out.